Now, when I say water, I mean water. But I'm recording here on an Android A12 phone. It doesn't record very well, but check this out. Look at this. The Connecticut River is definitely flooding its banks. Wow, unbelievable. Woo! Now, you wouldn't want to fall in there. Let's take a walk down the bank a little bit. Real slippery air. I'll step on the flatter surface. This is crazy. Woo! Man. Right across the street here, we got a shit dump, you can call it. This Android A12 phone. My iPhone broke, but this thing records pretty bad. Look at the trees up here. They're definitely getting their water supply today. That's why I've always noticed in the fall that the trees along the river, I've noticed that they stay a little bit greener than the surrounding trees. This is probably the reason why, right here. Well, let's take a little walk. This park right here is called Freedom Park. So if you're ever in East Windsor, Connecticut, this is the place to be. Let's come over here. Wow, look at this. You can see where all the, well, it looks like actually someone's been cutting the grass away here. I don't know why, but maybe they're trying to make a beach. If you come here at nighttime, all you see grazing along this grass here are skunks. Well, you guys get the gist of this. Get your butts down to the Connecticut River and check out the flood before it goes away. And what's pretty weird is if you look down into my video feeds in the past, I got a video of me sitting right here under this bridge when the river was actually like 6 inches. 6 inches compared to, it's probably about 25 feet right now. Ooh, I'm starting to walk on the mud. It's very slippery right here. Mud. Look at the size of that tree, huh? It's got a few battle scars on it. Alrighty. Well, let's hop into Ford Focus. I'm gonna go pick up the dog Brindley, and we're gonna go boondocking. So with that, guys, thanks for watching this short little clip here of the flooded Connecticut River. I was hoping to see it get higher. I'd like to see it go up onto the street, but it is what it is. So with that, guys, see you around. Shaky, 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 shaky camera, shaky camera.